Hi guys, today I'm working on the 2008 RAV4, removing and replacing the windshield washer fluid pump. I started off by removing the plastic cover and the front bumper. Here's the windshield washer fluid reservoir with the pump built in there, and here's the new pump. It's my first time removing the front bumper, so I'm leaving the front of the car and put all the screws in one place so that way I can find it easily. Now that the electrical component has been disconnected, I can just remove the pump. Make sure to have a bucket underneath though to catch the fluid, and you can reuse it. Here's a new windshield washer fluid pump. Once the pump is installed, reverse the process and put everything back in place.